I'm going to make this video under 3 minutes. This is the third video for this hair. You can do so many things with it, so I thought I would put this up as well for those of you interested in what the hair looks like if it's flat ironed. Okay, this hair is the Italian Yaki. It's supposed to be 18-inch. It is synthetic. However, it's much longer than that, even without it being flat ironed. And with flat ironed, I'd say it's about 21, 22 inches. Okay, and I got this hair at Amazon, and this is the third video. And before I forget, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and maybe even hit that little bell. Okay, so let me get back to the hair and let me show you. I used a 330-degree heat flat iron, and I only went over each section like 2 or 3 times. I didn't do it very much, so it could probably be much more flatter than this. I wasn't looking for a really slick back. In fact, I just wanted some of the poofiness to go down, but I still wanted to look ethnic and Yaki. So this is it. Of course, I've braided the 2 sides again. Okay, so let me show you. Stand up. So the front comes just under here, and I do have a side part. If you can take a look, I've put makeup in there. Okay, and here's the back. See how long it is? Just past the bra strap, so it's pretty long, so you get a lot for your money. This wig is under $40. I think it's pretty amazing. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out the hair. It is Amazon Prime, so you get it in a couple of days if you're a Prime member. And I think that's it. I think that's all I want to say. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, less puffy and flat ironed on 330. Okay, have a wonderful day. Have any questions, leave them below and I'll respond. Take care.